there, he used all their coins to buy 10 big sacks of rice. The seller helped him tie them together. Kapana smiled, thinking of how happy Nganya would be. But getting the rice home was not easy. The road was muddy, and soon rain began to fall. One sack tore open, and rice spilled onto the ground. Kapana was cold and tired, but he tied the sack and kept going. The next day, his belly rumbled. He hadn't eaten all day. He looked at the rice and said to himself, "Just a little. I'll replace it later." He took a handful and ate it. It tasted so good. The next day, he took more. By the time Kapana reached the village, 2 sacks were lighter than the others. Nganya was waiting at the gate. When he saw Kapana, he ran to meet him. "Welcome back," he cried. "Thank you, my friend," Kapana said. "Let's rest. We'll sell the rice tomorrow." But Kapana didn't give Nganya the sacks. He kept them in his own hut. That night, Nganya started to wonder. Why didn't Kapana share the rice? Why did he keep it all? Late at night, Nganya crept to Kapana's house. He peeked through a hole in the wall. Inside, he saw Kapana counting coins and eating from a bowl of cooked rice. Nganya felt pain in his heart. "I thought we were friends," he said, stepping inside. Kapana jumped. "Nganya, I was just..." "You broke our promise," Nganya said. "We were supposed to share everything." Kapana looked down. "I was tired and hungry. I didn't mean to keep it all." "But you didn't even tell me," Nganya said, his voice shaking with anger. Their voices rose. They argued and argued. Other animals nearby heard them. Old Goat, who lived close by, shook his head. "What a shame," he said. "They were such good friends." From that day, Nganya no longer trusted Kapana, and Kapana began to avoid Nganya. The friendship they once had slowly disappeared. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or follow my page for content. Abu Bakar, U1.
If you love story, come close, eh? Real salon vibes, no ghost, eh? From dry season to the rainy coast, now storytelling we dey boast, eh? No be joke, now lesson we pass for the young and old. Make you grab fast. We dey bring peace, joy, sometimes pain, so you go learn and know, make the same. Abu Bakar, oh.